What's up? What?
1 second.
An old briefcase?
Something that you always wanted.
Let me guess. A typewriter? Yay! Wow. Abhay,
Yep.
it's a beautiful gift, but don't you think ये थोड़ा पुराना है?
हाँ एंटीक की शॉप से लाया हूँ मैं.
Why?
बिकॉज नया टाइपराइटर नहीं मिलता.
मिलता है अबे, हमने परसों ही तो इतना Amazon पे चेक आउट किया था.
I
मिलता
know,
है.
but-
Thought you got me a new typewriter.
No, but the delivery was at least 15-16 days and I wanted to buy something for you today.
अबे how many times I've told you मेरे लिए पुरानी चीजें मत लाया करो. You know what has happened with me, right?
That's okay, see, it's just a typewriter and it's so beautiful. It's at least 50-60 years old.
अबे
It's a vintage item.
do
People,
you
लोगों को मिलता नहीं है. स्मिथ करोना का टाइपराइटर is a very rare thing to find.
अबे do you remember you had got the vintage clock?
Yes.
क्या हुआ?
Oh please.
नहीं, wait a second. Do you remember me telling you कि वो घड़ी अपने आप clockwise और anti clockwise कभी भी कैसे भी घूमती
मैंने
है?
कभी होते हुए नहीं देखा. It
जो
was working absolutely fine.
Abhay, that's the whole point, right? I've been telling you since my childhood things have been happening with vintage items, with old items. अच्छा, tell me one thing. ये तो तुम बिलीव करते हो कि मेरे डैड की जो एंसेस्ट्रल कबर्ड थी, अलमीरा था, उसके अंदर से चीज़ें अपने आप गायब हो जाती थी, अपने आप चीज़ें मिलती थी. कभी कभी वो खुला रहता था, कभी कभी वो बंद हो जाता था.
See,
ये
your
तो तेरी
mom was,
family
your
ने ही
mom has also
बताया.
told. I haven't seen it.
अच्छा, you can't deny what happened at my roommate's house, right? With her grandfather's gramophone. पुरानी चीज़ें, उनमें एनर्जी होती है इतने सारे लोगों की. Tell me, what if somebody has typed a suicide note on
You're
this?
being too crazy right now. Nothing of that
Don't
sort has
call me
happened.
crazy. I have gone to a psychiatrist. My family has taken me. You have taken me. Did they not give me a clean chit?
But what's wrong with the typewriter? It's a typewriter.
It's an
nothing
old
else.
typewriter. It has a history. People have used it.
Everything is
You-
used by somebody or the other.
No.
That doesn't makes it like some haunted or
No,
कुछ ऐसा
I'm
possessed
sorry.
नहीं
For
बन जाता
example,
हो.
ये laptop जब खरीदा, it was a new laptop. Nobody has used it before. I opened it from the package.
You're
the
being too
first
ridiculous right now.
Abhay, tell me
So you
people
want me
have...
to? So that means you are saying that there is something ghostly or something like this is happening.
I don't know, okay? I don't know. But the point is, जितना भी मैंने स्टडी किया है, जितना भी मुझे पता है, old things carry a lot of energy with them. और शायद ये मुझे दिखती है, I don't know why.
So then maybe the problem is you. Let's say if I even were to believe कि ऐसा कुछ है, that means the problem is you. You are taking these things along with you somewhere and everywhere. Your house, your roommate, अभी यहाँ पे घड़ी, typewriter, gramophone. I think it's all you. Probably, if at all, I don't say I believe in this thing right now, but let's say if something is there, that the problem is you.
I don't...
And don't blame the typewriter. I've
I
got it.
don't believe you. I don't believe that you are blaming this thing on me when I'm the one who has experienced scary nights. वो जो ग्रामोफोन था मेरी रूममेट का, मेरे रूममेट के ग्रैंडफादर का, पता है वो अपने आप बजता था और उसमें से इतनी डरावनी आवाज़ें निकलती थी यार. मुझे नींद नहीं है, इसलिए तो मैं छोड़ के गई वो घर. I left that house. I am the victim here. You can't blame me.
This house is also old. Somebody has lived here also. ये कोई नया brand new house तो हम लोग ने खरीदा नहीं है.
Abhay, but we were the... Come on. I don't know how come it doesn't work with house and how come it works only with objects. I don't know. I am not the one to answer it.
What do you want me to do? क्या हम अभी तांत्रिक के पास जाएं?
I don't know. The point
You're
is,
being
don't
too-
get
It is just
stuff.
a typewriter. Yeah, it is just a typewriter. And if you want, I'll take this away. We'll buy a new one.
Don't get stuff that triggers all these things. My
You trigger all these things. Stuff don't. That's
How?
what I'm telling you. Probably it's in your mind. और अगर
It's
कुछ भूत
not
भूत
in
है
my
तो वो
mind.
तुम्हारे अंदर ही है, तुम्हारे साथ ही घूम रहा है.
Are you serious right now? Are you saying that I'm possessed?
I don't know, but you're talking really nonsense. यू आर अ मॉडर्न लेडी, तुम इतनी पढ़ी लिखी हो और फिर भी तुम ऐसी सब बातें करती हो. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम जस्ट शॉक्ड.
मैं पढ़ी लिखी हूँ इसलिए मैं कई सारी बातें बताती भी नहीं हूँ. That's the reason I went to a doctor. I got
Any
all
which
my
ways.
psychometric tests done.
Okay, fine, no problem. I'll return this tomorrow. We'll order a new one. It's okay. I wanted to get you a typewriter today, and that's why I got it. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. It's all right. Wait, but you
Should I give it?
promise you return it.
Yes, I will. Of course, I will.
Okay.
Chalo, I want to buy some stuff. Come with me. Let's go for a drive and let's cool it off.
Okay.
Chalo.